that actually here today, if you want to sustain this, especially today regulations, I think everyone might be seeing, day by day, the expectations are going up like anything. Thanks to technology and then regulators, the way they are working on this, their expectations are becoming very, very stringent. If you want to meet those expectations, especially I feel there are 4 areas where we should be able to concentrate. One is Center of Excellence for Quality Systems. For this, we need facilities to provide GMP experiences and stimulation for aseptic behaviors and media fields, smoke studies. These are all require some type of stimulation studies for the students before joining with the industry. It will help industry to meet those requirements, whatever that regulators are expecting. Probably this will help us to quickly can apply at the shop floor. The other one is that collaboration with the regulatory science platform, where we need to have, government has to create a hub for this type of meetings, academic and industry and regulators all together, to make sure that to have workshops, mock audits, mock inspections, scientific advice forms and ICH harmonized training programs must happen. That is where at least we can have strengthened this, particularly on this expectation of the regulators. The third point is rightly said by Sridhar Babu garu about digital quality transformation is very important for the industry. Quickly we need to go into EBMRs, MIS and LIMS and whatever is possible in the industry, try to convert into a digital where we can minimize the risk. At least we can have a better compliance, and also the partners who is going to work with us, they will be happy with this type of systems where we have. It is going to be an advantage for the industry to move forward. The fourth one is that, what is that workforce development? Even though there are people are working at the shop floors, always we need to continuously, we need to work towards that improvement of their skill. We should be able to have a lot of regulatory meetings, training programs. This is that what industry has to spend a lot of money on this to make sure that on the compliance part.